Do you smell something fishy? Yes, I do. For tonight, I am going to prepare a dinner for one, and I have a friend here, a beautiful friend, the Trout. So guys, I crave for fish so much, so I am going to prepare an easy and delicious. So let's go. So of course the ingredients, we have the fish here, we have a chopped tomatoes, a sliced tomatoes, we also have sliced lemons and the sliced onions, and we also have dill chopped, don't mind the stem, you can put it, and also the chopped onions and the chopped parsley, salt and pepper guys, do not forget of course, and our olive oil, the magic. So yeah, this dish is under 40 minutes, so it's just so fast. We have our oven preheated into 180 degrees, and now what we can do is to mix our ingredients together. We have a pan here. First we need to put our potatoes and our onions and lemon. First we have to put in our tomatoes, then sliced onions, lemons here, dill, parsley, pepper, and olive oil. And now we have to put our fish in. Here, olive oil, salt, pepper, turn on the side, so for the stuff inside the fish here, we are going to put the diced onions here. So we have to put it out like this. Onions, parsley, and some dill as well. I like it with olive oil. Salt, so it will be tasty, and pepper. So just give it a stir. Stuff it in. So now we can put all our ingredients on top of the fish. So tomatoes, just love to see the colors in there. Onions too. And our parsley. Isn't it beautiful? So colorful. Yeah. So I like to put more olive oil in it because it really gives the fish the nice crisp on the skin. More salt to make our vegetables on top more tasty. Pepper. So our trout is ready. It's ready in 30 minutes. So our fish is ready. So my dinner is ready. Enjoy!